about a brave little parrot. A big, dark storm cloud.
Storm cloud. Storm lightning.
Looking very angry, darkened the forest where a parrot lived. It roared and thundered. And there was an old tree nearby that got hit by lightning, which started a horrible fire. The parrot saw her friends, the other animals, running around scared and confused. She shouted, "Run to the river!" But they couldn't hear. So she flew to the river, dove in, soaked her wings, flew back, and shook her wings, which fell on the fire. Then she flew back again and again. The gods above were stunned and asked each other. They called to her,
"Save yourself!"
But the parrot loved her friends and would not stop. The gods turned into eagles and flew to her. They said, "It won't work.
It won't work.
Small drops can't stop a fire."
Small drops cannot stop a big fire. Save yourself.
She answered, "With respect, great eagles.
With respect, great eagles.
If I don't try, who will?"
I don't try, who will? Who will? Fire!
The gods were so moved they began to cry.
Such bravery! So great! Such a big heart!
And their tears fell on the fire, putting it out. All the animals cheered.
Yay! She saved us!
The gods pointed at the sky, and multicolored stars flew towards the small bird, and poof! Suddenly her tail shimmered with the colors of the rainbow.
Wow! Cool!
The moral of the story is, even
Even if all seems hopeless,